Dear students, in the last session, I had explained what is microprocessors and what is microcontrollers and its applications. But in this session, I will explain the difference between the microprocessor and the microcontroller. So, what is a microprocessor? The computer's CPU built on single IC is called a microprocessor. That means IO devices and memory and other devices are connected externally. As shown in the figure, block diagram. What is microcontroller? A microcontroller is an IC, that means the IO devices, memory, timer, serial interfaces, that means other devices are connected internally. That means these all devices are fabricated on a single chip. The difference between the microprocessor and the microcontroller is, first one, microprocessor is a heart of computer system, but microcontroller is a heart of embedded system. What is embedded system? The embedded system is a combination of computer hardware and the software designed for specific function. That means that does a specific job. Next, it is just a processor. That means memory and IO components have to be connected externally as shown in the figure. But in microcontroller, the microcontroller has the external processor along with the internal memory and IO components and other devices are fabricated on a single IC, single chip. This is the block diagram as shown in. Next, since memory and IO has to be connected externally, the circuit becomes large. That means bulky. Since memory and IO devices are present internally, the circuit is small. That means compact. Next, due to compact, microprocessor cannot be used in compact system because it is bulky. So, this microprocessor cannot be used in compact system and hence inefficient. But microcontroller is a compact system because the IO devices and the memory and other devices are built in internally, that means in a single IC. So, it is compact system and hence it is an efficient technique. The cost of the entire system, in microprocessor, the cost of the entire system is increased because it's a bulky. The cost of entire system is low in microcontroller because it is a compact system. And also bulky and also manufacturing, lot of manufacturing. Because of lot of manufacturing, the cost of entire system is low. Next, due to external components, the entire power consumption is high due to external components means the IO devices, memory devices and other devices. The entire power consumption is high. Hence, it is not suitable to use with devices running on stored power like batteries. But in microcontroller, external component external components are low because the IO devices, memory and other devices are placed in internally, I mean IC in single IC. So the total power consumption is less and can be used to with devices running on stored power like batteries. Next, in microprocessor, most of the microprocessor do not have power saving features. But in microcontroller, most of the microcontrollers have power saving modes like idle mode and power saving mode. This helps to reduce power consumption even further. Next, since memory and IO components are all external, each instruction will need external operations. Hence, it is relatively slower. But in microcontroller, since components are internal, most of the operations are internal instructions. So, speed is fast. Next, in microprocessor, the microprocessors have less number of registers. Registers means it stores some bit of informations. Microprocessors have less number of registers. Hence, more operations are memory based. But in microcontroller, the microcontroller have more number of registers. Hence, the program are easy to write. In microprocessors, the microprocessors are based on non-Newman model. That means this is one of the architecture. This architecture where program and data are stored in same memory model. But in microcontrollers, these are based on Harvard model. That means the architecture where program and data memory are separate. And also, it has that means microprocessor have many instructions to move the data between memory and CPU. But in microcontroller, it has one or two instructions to move the data between the memory and the CPU. Next, mainly used in personal computers in microprocessor. The microcontroller used mainly in washing machine, MP3, micro ovens, home appliances, so on. These are the main difference between the microprocessor and the microcontroller. Thank you.